Meaning of footing.
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 Footing. The word footing can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it means the state or condition of one's feet, the way a person stands or walks. However, it can also refer to the foundation upon which something is built, such as a building or a business. In this sense, footing represents the stability and support necessary to sustain the entity in question. In summary, footing pertains to either the physical condition of one's feet or the foundational support of something else.